Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am at the Old Port, Montreal, and I have taken a ferry tour for $21. It's the student price. So let's not take a moment and rush down in our ferry. This Bonjour, hi. And we start the tour.
One more thing, sortie de secours, emergency exit. Easy to find, facile à trouver. Everywhere, partout. Okay, so Thomas will be your guide this morning. Thomas va être votre guide ce matin. If you have any questions during the tour, don't be shy. Wish you a beautiful afternoon in Montreal. Enjoy your vacation, lucky guys. Si vous êtes en vacances, profitez-en bien, profitez de la bonne météo. It's supposed to be beautiful for the next few days in a row. So, c'est supposé.
Thank you for the wonderful tour.
Thank you so much. Belle journée. Merci beaucoup. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup. Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a good one. So this was the boat and end of the tour. Hey guys, so finally the tour is over. It was around 45 minutes tour. We got to know that how old the Montreal city is, how it was founded, what are the oldest monuments here, and yeah, of course about the river and how it connects to the Atlantic Ocean. एंड व्हाट आर द बेस्ट प्लेसेस टू सी. आज हमने फेरी ट्राई की है, कल कुछ और ट्राई करेंगे. एक्सप्लोरेशन यूं ही चलता रहेगा, बट फॉर दैट यू नीड टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड हिट द लाइक बटन. आई नो यू लाइक द वीडियो. Share it with your friends, and yeah, keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you for watching this video. See you until the next time. Till then, bye bye.